I can see it in your eyes that you were restless. The time has come for you to leave.
It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be.
As I step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there.
This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin. 'Cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember that your dreams, they are a promise, that you were made to change the world. So don't let fear stop you now, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we meet again, so let your life begin. 'Cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again.
I know the brightest star above was created by the one who loved, for them we let know to guide you when you're lost.
What started as still small words is raging now, and your only choice is to follow who you are. So follow who you are, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin. This is not goodbye. Just I love you, stay with you until you're home. 'Cause this is not goodbye. Just I love you to take with you until you're home. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home. 'Cause this is not goodbye. Just I love you to take with you until you're home. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Ooh, da-da-da-da-da. Yeah.
Is it? You're naughty?
Yeah, sometimes.
Huh?
Today morning she.
But I like his eyes. She just look like this. He's not angry. Thank you for everything. We will miss you.
Thank you.
Please come back after 6 months.
Thank you very much. Last 6 years, we both are work. We established more work, and you teach me so many, and I know how to work now. So you guided, and you manage, and you are in front of me always. But report, you are sending me in front. So you are appreciated always, and you are giving good support, and you encourage always. So thank you very much. Inshallah, we will meet.
In Melbourne.
Yeah,
in Australia.
sure. Inshallah.
Hi, yes, sir. Hi, everybody, sir. Thank you very much for that you came in our department, sir. You're one of a kind manager. You're one of the best managers that I've ever experienced. And thank you for all the support, and thank you for being a manager and a father and everything, a leader. And we will miss you, sir. We will never forget your leadership in our department, sir. Thank you so much.
Hi, sir. Thank you for accepting me here in Medical Records when I was in Philippines. Then you never interview me here in Kuwait because WhatsApp have a problem in Philippines. Thank you, sir, for accepting here in Medical Records. God bless always, sir. And when you go in Switzerland, right? Australia. Thank you, sir, for accepting me.
இங்கே வந்ததுக்கு ரீசன் சார் மட்டும்தான், இல்லைன்னா அது நடந்திருக்காது. ஸோ ஐ எம் ஃபார் எவர் கிரேட்ஃபுல் ஃபார் மை லைஃப் டைம் டு ஹிம். தேங்க்யூ அண்ட் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
Other girl?
Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, thank you for everything, sir. Because of you, I'm here. When I come for interview, you just take it me. Thank you so much, sir. And I learned lot of things from you, sir. And thank you so much. If whatever we did any mistake, sorry for that. And thank you for everything, sir. Come back soon, sir.
Everybody, thank you, sir, for everything.
Don't cry, huh?
No, I'm not crying. Thank you, sir, because you are a good manager. You are a very supportive manager, sir, for us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all you have to share to us. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Say yes, or no.
What means yes or no?
Yes or no?
Just yes or no.
I don't like him to go, so yes. I don't like him to go.
Okay. Very aggressive.
No, because we will miss you, Mr. Anish. Really. Nobody help us here, some like you help everyone, not one person, everyone.
Nobody, Rasha?
Who?
I like the tune. Nobody.
Same like him. Actually, he's opened his door for everyone, from starting from border and until the management. Never it's happened before, some like this. Yani, it's difficult to go to manager every time and tell him what you have, what you feel. He's always, when I am angry, go to him and speak, and better I'm going some like relax, nothing happened, and always fix our problem. Thank you, Mr. Amish, and good luck.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best and thank you so much for everything.
Rest you will send this email.
I learned many things from you. Wish you the best.
Thank you.
And we will see each other again soon.
Sure.
Either in Australia or
Oh, wow.
We'll have our conference there in Melbourne. Yeah? The gastro conference or any other conference, we'll have it there. Anybody else?
or
Before
you will
Mr.
invite us.
Mr.
Mr. Sad, maybe he wants to say something.
Yes.
Yes, Dr. San.
You have the mic now.
I've spoken to him
There
many
is Chan there,
times,
Here.
given him so many of my messages. For me, I will repeat again, my favorite part about him is his energy, his passion, and his enthusiasm. So if there is one thing I will want to take from him, it is that enthusiasm and energy with which he does all his work. It takes a lot of effort to keep up that energy throughout the day, day in and day out, every day of the week. So I really appreciate that, and I hope we can also match up to that. And just that he's been such a good friend from the first day that I met him. He's always called me a friend, referred to me as a friend when he meets me. And even through all the initiatives, the what was that electronic documentation that we worked on together, a few of them. Very sorry.
And being pushy.
And being pushy. And being pushy. That is also something we should learn, right? And so all through those that whole association was always friendly, always productive, and I hope that we can continue this association in the future as well. Here, as she said, in Melbourne, and maybe you'll be back with us someday.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope
Monet?
I'm still
I could rise here.
Want to say something?
Hello.
Sir Amis, good luck and wish you all the best. Always.
Yeah, I don't have paper. I already finished my words yesterday. But يعني, I will really, really, really miss you, Mr. Amish. You were the best mentor I have ever. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Amish. Yeah.
This is for the last day. I will accept that. Okay, sir, again, thank you so much for everything. True, as they said, you are different from other managers that we have here in medical records. Some of them are very lax. One of them is very lax, one is very strict, one is like Adi. And you have everything. And I thank God for that. And what else I should say, if there is anything I have done wrong to you, just forgive me. But I pray everything good luck for you. God bless you always for your new journey. Just a piece of advice, do not be so, what's this?
Hyperactive.
Work too hard, workaholic. Because you know we are getting
Think about yourself.
older.
Yes.
Enough. Whatever is needed, just
Now just
Yeah.
go see kangaroo.
enjoy because your family, your children are still young.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is your time to be with them together and enjoy the rest of your life with them. So if you overwork, then your life also will be lessened. if you will accept every pressures, every stress, okay, just be relaxed, just do and accomplish the goals that you have set each day. Okay, don't there is still tomorrow. They said there's a time for everything, right? So even in the Bible says that do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. So think about each day, each time. Don't overwork for the future, which is you don't know which will happen on that time. God bless you, sir.
Nice.
Lunchtime.
Really, Mr. Amish deserves all the best. The time he joined, I was away from OPD. I was there, I'm not interacting much with him. He kept asking me when you will join OPD. I was only laughing because I feel like that scenario will never happen. But really, the way Ms. Sama and HR and Mr. Osama was teaching us how to differentiate between manager and leader. Whenever they open this topic, I'm seeing only Mr. Amish. He's really a true leader, a true manager, a true a mentor even. I am totally changed in my personality, the way I think to the any situation, even also in the professional way. Really, you change a lot in the entire customer service team and for myself particularly. Really, I wish if I like join OPD longer than this, 2.5 years, it's not enough for me. I would learn more from you, and for sure we will keep in touch. I wish really all the best. I was thinking, if Mr. Amish is the CEO of this organization, is there something else he would do? I said no. He's really doing the maximum. He's treating the organization as he's the CEO.
He's the own,
yes. Like he's
Please
on the
don't
business. No, the way really he's treating everything, because I was interacting for everything, not only related to customer service. Long, I mean, too much situation like involve nursing, involve management itself, quality, marketing and all. The way he think, the way really he's helping in a way from far, I feel that like he's working from his heart to the organization, and I believe like he deserves. I was telling him the same. You should join us also as a director of medical record, customer service. He can be really holding this position. Of course, that time you are hospital there.
ودكتور Alex, where we will put him?
We wish you all the best. I'm sure, wallahi, we will miss you. The
And he
organization
wanted to
will
say
see.
that he'll be in your position, manager operation.
Very happy.
Exactly, yes.
You deserve. You deserve.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy,
Yes.
enjoy your life.
Thank you.
Enjoy your time there, and I wish really soon you will be here again joining us.
Thank you, Saeed. Thank you.
After becoming an Australian.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
That's our wish to you.
السلام عليكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طبعا انا يعني لسان عايز عن كلام ان اوجه اي كلام شكر لمستر اميش.
He's speechless too.
Sa?
He's
Mr.
speechless.
Mona can translate.
مستر اميش too much good man. Too much good brother. يعني مستر اميش ما في يعني 6 years او 5 years مستر اميش ميديكال ريكورد ما في بروبلم all staff ما في بروبلم مال staff. Too much good. ان شاء الله good luck مستر اميش.
So,
Thank you.
don't worry.
Don't cry.
Don't worry.
He's speechless, thank you.
But give a tissue.
You are also a very nice man, Mamtu. You have a good heart. So it was my duty to support you and love you always. Thank you.
Say